our GUI interface, we use the Google Maps API to embed this interactive map into our graphic user interface. This is plotting 7 instances of road damage that we uploaded from a JSON file that is on the computer. As you can see, the markers, each instance has its own individual marker. There's 3 different colors here representing the severity of that instance. So a yellow would be a severity of 1, orange a severity of 2, and a red a severity of 3. Along with this, each marker has its own information window. As you can see, the severity of 3 corresponds to the color red. It will give the instance number, so you know this is the 3rd instance it detected. It has a severity of 3, the coordinates at which it's located, and the date at which it's taken. And it will have the image of that instance for them to actually see. You close this out and you go to the next one. You'll see this has a severity of 2, which corresponds to the orange. The corresponding data, which is the date, and you can see the picture is different, so each one has the picture corresponding to that instance. And yellow, as you see, is a different picture, severity of 1, date of 3:30. This one has a date of 4/1, and severity of 3, the 6th instance detected, different picture. And you can see them all here laid out on the map, so you know where they would be located. Furthermore, with this time and circumstance, did not allow for us to finish this part of the project, but we have the drop-down menus that would allow us to sort the instances, which the plan was for each info window's information would show up here individually in a sortable list. So you wouldn't have to look across the map at each one. They would all be there. You could sort them by date, by severity. And when you saw something that was particularly you wanted to look at, you could click on it and it would take you to that instance, which is still something that we can implement within the next month.